This is a very nice Ford Torino GT 1970. Nice hardtop. And 351 2-barrel under the hood. Plus it has factory air. Very nice car for touring. I like the treatment of the grille and the headlights. Looks like they were really made to fit together. Looks like hubcaps and wheel trim rings. This is a very light blue. And there you see the like new upholstery. And the bench seat. And automatic. And there's a fabric cover across the top of the dash that is commonly used to prevent the plastic from cracking. I like the back end here. Sweeps all the way across the back end, the tail light. Very streamlined car. And you see how much that back glass is curved. Very nice.